he, she, he, she, she. He is mad. He is mad. He is sad. He is sad. He is sleepy. He is sleepy. He is happy. He is happy. He is noisy. He is noisy. He is quiet. He is quiet. He is 5. He is 5. She is happy. She is happy. She is sad. She is sad. She is mad. She is mad. She is sleepy. She is sleepy. She is 4. She is 4. She is noisy. She is noisy. She is quiet. She is quiet. Great!
Step by step.
Like and subscribe. This video is from Book A, now available in the description down below. Check it out.